Hey, party people. I'm a person who loves going to concerts, live events, sporting events, and I'm always looking for a better way to carry my stuff. Sometimes when it's in my pocket and I have my cell phone, wallet, and keys, I'm always worried that I'm either going to get pickpocketed, or if I'm in a mosh pit, or I'm in a big crowd and people are moving around and dancing a bunch or cheering for a team, that things are going to fall out of my pocket and I'm going to lose them, and I'm going to have a really hard time getting home, calling a Lyft or Uber, or getting in contact with people that I need to get in contact with. So I've always been looking for a solution that would work to bring to concerts, stadiums, outdoor festivals, weekend-long festivals, things like that. And I think I found the perfect solution. So whether I'm watching a football game, go Birds. Whether I'm watching a baseball game, let's go Phillies. Whether I'm watching a hockey game, let's go Flyers. Or whether I'm going to any of the concerts for the hundreds of bands that I love to see. I mean, I've gone to like 12 concerts this year, and all of them have been transcendent and incredible. Being stuck in the crowd, surrounded by people, shoulder to shoulder, kind of tipsy, singing along with every song, is just kind of that universal experience, just like cheering at a sporting event, where everyone kind of comes together and you feel that energy all around you. So the solution that I've discovered is the Thread Wallets Clear Fanny Pack. I've got that right here. I've gone over a lot of Thread Wallets gear before. I really love their wallets. I've loved their simplistic backpacks, their simplistic slings, and they have a ton of different solutions for different carry options that are very affordable, very quality, and very stylish. And this one is a clear fanny pack. It retails for $40 US. It's made from a durable TPU that's see-through. It has a woven jacquard branded strap and a durable plastic buckle for easy taking on and off. It has a satisfying click, it functions effortlessly, and it's super durable. You have some really nice zippers and compartments on here, so you have a front quick access pocket with a zipper, and then you have the primary pocket with another zipper. It measures in at 6.2 inches by 5 inches by 1.5 inches thick. And because of this sizing, it'll easily fit into any concert, stadium, or festival, because a lot of times they have a clear bag policy, and that's why I've chosen a clear bag here. It lets them see everything that's inside, and they don't have to worry if you're carrying hidden gear or anything dangerous or anything illegal. For example, I'll give you the bag policy for Lincoln Financial Field, which is the football stadium that I would typically go to in Philadelphia. It has maximum dimensions of 12 by 12 by 6 inches if you want to bring it into the game, and it has to be a clear plastic. This fulfills all those requirements. So I've loaded it out with stuff that I would typically bring to a concert or festival, although some of these items, depending on the location, may not be allowed inside. So make sure you check the appropriate bag policy before bringing this to a concert or a sporting event to make sure that you won't get stopped at the door with any unexpected surprises. As far as its fit on me, I typically wear my slings over my shoulder like this, and up against my chest. So I have easy access to all my gear. I have the quick access pocket, the main pocket here. It's clear, you can see everything that's inside. It has a wide enough strap where it doesn't dig into your shoulder or neck, so it feels really comfortable to wear. And then the other option for carry is just to unbuckle it and sling it around your waist like a fanny pack, or as a fanny pack, I should say. But yeah, this fits really well around my waist as well. I just need to tighten it up a little bit. But yeah, then I have access to my gear right here. If I'm at an amusement park, a concert, a sporting event, I can get to all my gear in the bag super easily. So that's a really nice feature to have. And then in addition to the way that I wore it slung across my chest, you could also obviously wear it in two different ways. So you could wear it kind of slung over your shoulder like this and have it under your arm. Then you have easy access to everything. Or you could also sling it around to your back and wear it across your back if you wanted to do it that way. So you have 4 different versatile carry options. You have your chest, under your shoulder, on your back, or across your waist. I'm one who always carries across my chest. I like having the quick, easy access to the gear, knowing it's secure. And it makes it a lot harder for someone to steal because I would see them coming if they're trying to get in my bag from the front, obviously. So now let's go into the overhead view. I can go over everything I've loaded out inside, give you a closer look at the bag, and then give you my final thoughts and where it fits in my keep, gift, donate, sell framework. Let's get into it. And now that we're in the overhead view, you can get a closer look at the bag. You can see its nice clear plastic construction, the nice black zipper tracks here and here. Really nice wide strap. It's got the thread branding on it. It's a branded strap itself. It's that jacquard manufactured strap material. You have the nice little buckle here. Functions extremely well. It's adjustable. It's plenty wide, not to dig into your neck or shoulder. Now let's go over everything that's inside. So if I start with the quick access compartment and unzip that, I have my Touchland hand sanitizer in case you have to use a porta potty and your hands are really grimy and icky. You have a way to clean your hands. And that's all I have loaded in this exterior compartment. You can see the nice little Thread Wallets logo there. Then if we go to the interior compartment where the main action is happening, I have my knockaround sunglasses. These are great little stylish, cheap sunglasses. I wouldn't mind if they got broken or lost. They're super inexpensive and they work well. They're polarized. Great little sunglasses to consider if you want a cheap pair to bring somewhere where they could get broken or lost. Then I just have my packable tote here. It's a little 19-liter packable tote, fits in the palm of my hand. And if I buy merch or anything like that at the show and I need something to carry it in, this is a great option. Then I just have my keys, my cell phone, my Olight Arc Pro flashlight. I don't know if they would let this inside the venue, but I'm just giving it as a size comparison. Nice little flat EDC flashlight. Then I have my proof wallet. Obviously you need money with you and identification. This would fit well in this bag and you'd have everything at hand. Again, I don't know if this would be let in, but my Night Core 10,000 milliamp hour backup portable battery, really slim profile, fits extremely well in this bag. Great way to make sure you have enough charge to call a Lyft or Uber. And then the last thing I have in here is just my Write in the Rain notebook with a little tiny Allet wallet-sized pen. And this is great if you meet the band, if you want to get autographs from anyone, if you get some cutie's phone number, you could write it down in here. You could draw pictures, you could write yourself little notes, write down the set list if you're watching a concert and you want to remember all the songs they played, or if you're at a sporting event and you want to keep track of the score or stats. You have everything you need to take notes, get autographs, and write down anything you'd like to in this little notebook here. And then as far as the interior compartment, you have a little slide pocket sectioned off here and a little slide pocket sectioned off here. So you could easily put your cell phone down the middle, your wallet in one, your keys in the other. Make sure nothing's going to get scratched up. You have the room to put things and organize it how you'd like to. As far as a concert and sporting event amusement park solution, I haven't found anything better than this. I think it's absolutely wonderful. You know, it's going to get fogged up over time, and obviously this plastic may tear or rip. It's not as durable as something like a nylon or polyester, but for its use case of bringing it to a concert, festival, sporting event, or amusement park, you have the ability to get all your stuff in without having to carry it in your pockets and potentially lose it, keep it close to your chest, keep it secured away, and make sure that you're living up to the venue's bag policies. So overall, in my Keep, Give, Donate, Sell framework, this goes firmly in the keep pile. Because of its use cases and the fact that I'm often going to concerts and sporting events, this will get a lot of use out of me. It's earned its place in my collection, and I think it's an absolutely versatile, amazing sling bag to throw in when you need it. I think it's stylish enough looking while still being clear plastic. Obviously, it's not as stylish as some premium bags that are in other materials, but they wouldn't be let inside. This one absolutely would, so it's worth kind of the goofy plasticiness of it. If you have any other clear plastic bags that you'd like to recommend for me, please leave a comment below and I'll make sure to review it in a future video. If you want to check out any of the gear that I've decided not to keep, click the eBay link in my description below and you can make me an offer on any of the stuff I've decided not to keep and I've decided to get rid of. If you want to check out any of my merch, like my notebooks, my newly released stickers, slings, stuff with Odessa on it, all kinds of new gear that I've released, designed myself, and kept super affordable, please click the link in the description below. Thank you as always for watching. I appreciate everyone that watches this channel and interacts with me. All of your anecdotes, your questions, your comments, your personal stories, your personal experiences with different gear, and your recommendations have been immensely helpful to me, and I really appreciate that. So keep it up, please. I hope everyone had a happy new year. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.